Hi, welcome to I Want to Ban 9 IELTS Speaking, and today's topic is on transportation. What fun! Okay, we have example questions here for part 1, part 2 and part 3. Let's get down to it. So here's our example questions for part 1. What transport can you find in your hometown? What type of transport do you prefer to use and why? Do you spend a lot of time using public transportation? And do you ever have problems with transport? Okay, it's a good range of questions here. You have some information, some opinions, and also you have some opportunities here to do some comparisons. All right, let's get started. What transport can you find in your hometown? If we go to our grammar and answer tips here, you should say the different types of transport that are available in your hometown. Now, if possible, and not if possible, but you should try and use adjectives to describe those different types of transport. What I'm saying is, rather than just saying, in my hometown there is buses, there is trains, there is cars, and there is taxis, if we go to our keywords here, we use things like, well, there's an extensive public bus system, okay, high-speed train service, and private motor cars and taxis. So we go extensive, so 广泛的 public 公共的 and a bus system. All right. Now, where does this transport take you? And we can say here, well, there's bus routes that serve the city and outer suburbs. Okay, and then maybe mention some type of transport that you don't have in your hometown, which you would like. Okay. Let's put that all together. Well, we have an extensive public bus system with routes that serve the city and the outer suburbs. There's also the high-speed train service for interstate travel, and an assortment of private motor cars and taxis. Just wish there was a subway. What transport can you find in your hometown? Now, in this hometown, it's a large city like Beijing or Shanghai or Guangdong or Guangzhou. And I'm saying here, well, there are many forms of transport in my hometown. But rather, let's change the word many and use the word a plethora of public transport options. Let's go to our keywords here, plethora, 大量. Now, once again, say the types of transport that you can find in your hometown. I'm saying here, well, subway, bus, and rail. And once again, use those adjectives, okay? And here I'm saying an extensive subway system. Extensive, 是广泛的, okay? A long-distance bus terminal, 长途汽车站. And then, of course, the country's rail network. And then I'm saying overall describing, and this is what we're doing here, is describing the transport in my hometown. I'm saying here, in my hometown, we are pretty spoilt for choice. 有很多的选择. Let's put that all together. There's a plethora of public transport options in my hometown. There's an extensive subway system, buses, taxis, a long-distance bus terminal, and of course the country's rail network. Overall, we're pretty spoilt for choice.